Our solar system is a vast and fascinating place. At its heart lies the Sun, a giant ball of burning gas. The Sun is a star, just like the ones we see twinkling in the night sky. It is the closest star to Earth and provides us with light and warmth. Without the Sun, life on Earth would not be possible. The Sun is incredibly hot, with a surface temperature of about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also enormous, containing over 99% of the total mass in the solar system. The Sun's gravity holds all the planets in orbit around it. The Sun is a powerful force, emitting a constant stream of charged particles called the solar wind. These particles can interact with Earth's magnetic field, creating beautiful auroras or northern and southern lights. Orbiting the Sun are 8 planets, each with its unique characteristics. Closest to the Sun is Mercury, a small rocky planet with a very thin atmosphere. Venus, often called Earth's twin, is shrouded in thick clouds that trap heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Next comes Earth, our home planet, the only known place in the universe to support life. Mars, the red planet, has a thin atmosphere and evidence of past liquid water, making it a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a gas giant with a swirling storm known as the Great Red Spot. Saturn, known for its stunning rings made of ice and rock, is another gas giant with many moons. Uranus, an ice giant, is tilted on its side, giving it extreme seasons. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is a blue giant with powerful storms. Beyond Neptune lies Pluto, reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto is a small, icy world located in a region called the Kuiper Belt, which is home to many other icy objects. These objects, along with comets, are remnants from the early solar system. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a region populated by millions of rocky bodies. These asteroids are leftovers from the formation of the planets, and their study can provide valuable insights into the early solar system. The study of our solar system is crucial for understanding the origins of our planet and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. By exploring the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies within our solar system, we gain insights into the processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood. Moreover, studying the Sun helps us comprehend the behavior of other stars and their impact on planetary systems. The search for extraterrestrial life, a fundamental question in science, is closely tied to our understanding of the conditions that allowed life to flourish on Earth. As we continue to explore and unravel the mysteries of our solar system, we deepen our understanding of our place in the cosmos and the possibilities that lie beyond.